So what you can also do is you can add in horizontal lines, also known as S lines in emails in Thunderbird. So to do that, I'm going to click on new message right here, and I'm going to say this is a paragraph right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, I'm going to go around and then paste these out right here. So they are not in the same line. So let me just go around over here and paste this out right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, I can simply go around and then paste out a few more paragraphs right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here, and then I'm going to go around and paste this out, and so forth. So now what you can do is, in order to separate out the contents, you can actually utilize something called H lines or horizontal lines. For example, in this line right here, you can go ahead on to the insert link section and then choose H line right here, and this is what you have. So let's just go around onto H line, and you can see that you got a separator right here, just like this. Let's just go around over here, and this is an S line as well. If I were to go around and press enter, you can go around over here onto S line just like this as well, and this is what you have. You can go around onto this section right here just like this, and then go around onto S line right here just like this as well. And you can see that I got a bunch of horizontal lines right here just like this, and that is how you can separate out the email sections according to how you want visually. And this is this is supported in many email clients just like this. So the receiver will be able to see the difference visually right here. And that is how you can utilize the S lines. And if you want to remove it, simply go around onto the first section after the horizontal line and click backspace right here, and then you can simply remove the lines just like that. And that is how you can add in S lines or horizontal lines inside of your emails in Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.